Hello everyone, welcome to another Instagram video tutorial. So in today's video I want to show you how to make 6 pics to end July Instagram new trending story using easy and simple way. So the first thing, you have to just update your Instagram. Now you have to just open up the Instagram. So let me show how to find the Instagram 6 pics to end July 8 yours trending Instagram story. You have to just first tap on this little plus option which one display at the top left corner of the screen. Now here you have to just tap on story. Now go to the templates. So you notice that there is a little purple dot. It means that there is something new. You have to just tap on this one. Now here on a trending template section, you have to just swipe to the left side. So here you notice that there is a 6 pics to end July. So almost 8.4 million people using this trending AdWords story. So let me show how to create this story. With the help of 6 pics to end July, you have to just open up this. Now here it will be open up the by default layout. So if you haven't accessed the layout feature, you can also find here a little girl. You have to just tap on this one. So now it will be automatically select 6, but you can also select manually. So make sure you should select 6 layout. And now here you can upload your best picture which you have captured in July. So I want to just upload 6 randomly picture from my phone gallery. So as you noticed that I have successfully uploaded 6 different pictures. Now I want to just tap on a check mark. So you notice that add yours is attached successfully. Now you can also add music here, but I just want to upload only story with the help of 6 pics to end July. Add yours. Now you have to just tap on your story. Now here you can simply go to your Instagram story. So now you notice that I have successfully created an Instagram story recently. So now I want to just tap on this one. Now here you notice that I have successfully created an Instagram story with the help of this 6 pics to end July. Now if I tap on this one, so here you notice that a lot of people using this AdWords trend. So this is the most viral Instagram trending story you can create easily with the help of this AdWords. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.